5 easy ways to make your life more exciting. If you find yourself spending too much time with the television remote in your hand or taking too many daytime naps, it could be that you're simply bored with the life you're living. Maybe you have a home that suits you and a job you like, yet you feel like something's missing. Perhaps, little by little, you've simply settled into a humdrum existence. Wouldn't you love to wake up, shake things up, and feel some passion again? Consider these strategies to pump up the joy, interest, and excitement in your life. Do at least one activity you enjoy each day. We've all heard the saying about all work and no play. Life can get pretty boring pretty quickly if all you do is work and come home, only to flop down in front of the TV. What are some activities that bring you joy? Indulge in doing something that makes you smile, brings out your creativity, or satisfies your yen for a familiar hobby. Vow to read at least 10 pages a day. There's great knowledge, wisdom, adventure, and joy in reading. Whether you enjoy finding out more about topics you love or getting lost in a great adventure, there's something that will perk your interest. You'll find yourself reading more than you ever thought you would. Feast your mind and intellect on the written word. You'll like it. Allow yourself to daydream. Maybe you want to travel to France, or you'd really like to take a stab at writing the great American novel. Close your eyes and let your mind go wild. Where would you travel first? What do you want to see? What type of novel would you write? What would the characters be like? Indulge yourself in your dreams. They might spark ideas that you can start making concrete plans for. Be honest with yourself about your strong points. When you do, you'll be compelled to move forward to create a life you truly enjoy. Provide yourself with opportunities to engage in things you do well or even excel at. When you show a talent for something, it's usually something you enjoy as well. Spending more time in these activities will enhance your confidence and help to banish boredom for good. Return to doing something you did in the past. For example, if you used to take part in dance contests, yet haven't danced in years, you might be interested in dancing again. Something that brought you happiness once before can vastly enrich your life again. You'll challenge yourself and relish in all the things you loved about the activity all over again. Rediscovering your passion for something you loved before can spark new excitement now. Take responsibility now to jazz up your life. You'll build a fulfilling, enriching life when you turn your focus to your off-work hours. Immerse yourself in activities you've pined for, dreamed about, or loved in the past. The exciting life you deserve is just around the corner. Thanks for watching our video. Please leave a comment, hit the like button, and share our video. Be safe, and stay healthy.